Hey guys, what's up? Sam here, back with another video. Now, a few videos ago I showed you guys how to install Android P on your latest Pixel 2 and Pixel devices. Now, with the introduction of Android P, we have to kiss the Nexus 6P and the Nexus 5X goodbye because Google is no longer formally supporting these devices. So no Android P love for these devices. However, one of the main reasons why I love Android so much is because even though we don't have formal support from Google, we can still get some Android P love on these devices. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your Nexus 6P, Nexus 5X, and even some older Android devices look and feel like the Pixel 2 with Android P on it. Alright? And if you guys are pumped for this video, definitely go ahead and smash that like button. Let's get started. Now, in the previous video that I did, I showed you guys how to install the portrait mode from the Pixel 2 on older devices like the Nexus 6P. If you guys haven't watched that video, I'll leave a link for it in the description box down below, and I'll also put in a card up top up here. And it's the first step in making your phone look and feel like the Pixel 2 on Android P. Now, with that out of the way, I'm going to show you another feature that is specifically found in Android P, and that feature is called markup. Now, essentially what this does is whenever you take a screenshot like so you can do basic edits like pinch to zoom, crop, and make marks or highlight stuff, things like that. So it's pretty useful, especially for me as I take a lot of screenshots and I like to crop it on the fly. So this is a pretty useful tool, alright? Now, to get this working on the Nexus 6P, it's a pretty simple procedure. All you're going to do is just install the APK. It is a port from the Pixel 2. Now, it won't work exactly the same way it does on the Pixel 2. All you need to do is go ahead, take a screenshot, and this can work with other images as well. So go ahead, take the screenshot, go down right here where it says share. You're not going to see the edit button, you're going to see the share or delete. So click on share and then look for markup, alright? So it's just like before with on the Pixel 2, you're able to zoom in and out, crop, and make notes, alright? Now, it's not a finished and polished product. It is still in beta on the Pixel and Pixel 2 devices. So bear that in mind, it's gonna be kind of finicky. For example, if you wanna crop, you're not really able to go and crop from the bottom edges like I showed you on my Android P video. It's a pretty cool feature, and it is something that's missing on these Google devices, alright? Now, one of the final steps in making your old device look and feel like the current Pixel 2 on Android P is by, of course, installing a launcher, alright? Now, it's not going to be a custom launcher like Nova Launcher or Lean or anything like that. It's actually going to be a Pixel launcher. Now, if you're already on the Pixel launcher like I am, this is just going to be a little addition to that to kind of make it look and feel more like the Android P launcher. Now, if you look at both devices, there's not much difference going on. The only thing you're going to really notice right off the bat is the dock right here. It has a little shade going on, and you have a little bit more of a rounded corners to a lot of the things, alright? Now, I went ahead and downloaded the APK. It's just like before. All you need to do is install the APK and you should be good to go. So go ahead and download that, and as usual guys, I'll put links for that in the description box down below. Alright, go ahead, click on the APK like that, click install, and that's it, you're done. Alright, go ahead, click done, and you should see it pop up. Alright, see guys, there you go. And that is it. They're both looking like the same phone. You won't even know the difference just by looking at it. You might just think it's a Pixel 2 and a Pixel 2 XL, alright? Pretty cool, I do dig it. Now, we're not gonna have the same notification as before, the rounded corners, all that. You're not gonna see it like that. Just pretty much on the outside, you have the Google Dock right here, and you also see a slight curvature on the little grayscale right here and the corners, and you slide up just the same to enter the app drawer. And if you slide over, you do get the Google Now page, and if you look closely, you will see the curves along the edges for the cards. Alright, so if you scroll, you see them slightly curving at the corners. So yeah, pretty cool. And as more ports become available, guys, I'm going to show you guys in future videos anything that's new to kind of make your old device look and feel like the current devices. So if you have an older device like the Nexus 6P and maybe something even older, you might be able to get away with it looking and feeling like an Android P on the Pixel 2 or Pixel 2 XL, alright? So if you guys like this video and want to see more content like this, definitely go ahead and smash that like button down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, guys, go ahead and subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching. My name is Dacoin, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Zine. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, yeah. Oh shoot, let me stop this.